All right, done for the day. Now I get to go ride my bike home, but gonna do a little bit different today because I'm gonna take the long way home. So this is where I usually just end up going. Gravel roads. I was way over there not too long ago in Wind Cave National Park. Now I'm up here at Cicero Peak. Pretty sweet view. Sadly, the view is blocked this way by the wind, but still pretty epic. Taking a break at the top to enjoy my PB&J. It's my supper on the way home. Taking in the view, enjoying it. That's the neat thing about doing something like this, that you slow down, see things you haven't seen, make stops when you want to because it's so easy, and take a break, and yeah, just enjoy it. Take your time, slow down, it's beautiful. Regular gravel. Pretty green. Getting closer. Almost home. 2 more miles to go. Whew. Oh, one massive loop. I'm at 35 miles. Oh, the last climb! Hey. Oh, all right, well, made it home from taking the long way home. Had up here to greet me, and like a second ago. Oh, but such a fun time. Took a little longer than I was expecting. But it's so cool because you get to see some area that you don't normally see on your way home. Take your time, see things that you wouldn't normally see while driving, which was really cool. And I mean, then you don't rush home to sit on the couch and watch TV or whatever. Maybe you have chores to do, work to do or something, but you're enhancing your life by taking the time to see those things, enjoy the beauty around you, and just appreciate everything. Slow down a little bit. So I challenge you to take the long way home sometime.